Hey everybody, my name is Brendan and welcome back. And today I'm going to be walking you through how to install and use the Metamask wallet. Now, Metamask is a very popular wallet platform that allows you to store a number of different cryptocurrencies. And all you have to do to get started is go to metamask.io/download, like we have listed right here. Now, once you're on this page, it's going to allow you to see the different downloading options that you can go through. So that can be Edge or iOS or Android or even Google Chrome. But for this video, we're going to be going through Edge. Now, since I'm on Edge, all I have to do is hit install Metamask, and it's going to bring me to a page like this. Now, I already have it installed, but all you have to do is hit the install button right here, and it should pop up in the top right hand of your screen with the little fox icon. Now, if you don't see this, all you have to do is go to the little puzzle piece, and it should be hidden right here. And if you want to take it away or add it back, all you have to do is hit the little eye icon. Now from here, once we click on our Fox, it's going to bring us to a page like this one. I'm sure that you just saw that it loaded up, but from here all we have to do is hit get started. Now once we have gotten started, it's going to ask if you already have a seed recovery phrase or if you already have a MetaMask wallet. We're going to assume that you don't, and all you need to do is actually go and create a wallet. It's going to ask you to agree to all these different things and just kind of remember to not let anyone have access to your information, because then they will have access to the crypto inside of your wallet. So what I've done is I've already gone ahead and actually typed in a password over here. I'm going to agree to my terms. Make sure you write this down somewhere. Make sure that it's somewhere safe where you're not going to forget it, because you're going to need this part. Now actually we go ahead and hit the create button. It's going to walk us through a short little video. I recommend watching this and going through and reading this as well. It's going to talk to you about your seed phrase and exactly what that means and how that can impact your wallet. But essentially, you will need your seed phrase in case you ever get locked out. So here it's going to ask me to reveal. After you reveal your seed phrase, it's going to be a list of, I believe, 12 different words. Make sure you write this down somewhere. Do not show this to anyone. So for the sake of this video, I'm going to cut this part out so that no one has access to my seed phrase. But this is very, very crucial that you write this down and don't share this with anyone that you do not want to have withdrawing and depositing access to your wallet. Now that you have written down your seed phrase and put it in the correct order, congratulations, you now have a MetaMask account. So if you want to deposit cryptocurrency into your MetaMask, all you have to do up here is click the copy to clipboard link, and this is going to be your deposit address. And you can see I can paste it right here and it'll come right up for me. So if you want to deposit any of your cryptocurrency that is accessible and compatible with MetaMask, that is going to be the address that you are depositing to. And from the home screen over here, we can see that we have Ethereum and a little bit of Solace, and any other assets that you might have that you will have deposited. You can also view your activity as well. But what this allows you to do is also import new tokens. So if there's a token and it's not very well known, then you may have to import it. And so all we really have to do here is go to custom tokens and then copy and paste the token address. Now, what does this truly mean? Well, if we go over and we know something is compatible with the MetaMask wallet, let's just use Quant as the example. I went to CoinMarketCap. You can also use CoinGecko, and all you have to do is find the page of your cryptocurrency. So I'm on Quant's page right now, or QNT, and I see that their contract address for Ethereum is listed right here, and it says that they're also really easy to add to MetaMask. So if you want, you can just click this, but I'm going to copy the address to make sure that I get it right. I'm going to go back to MetaMask and I'm going to paste it in here, and you'll see that the token symbol is filled right in, the token decimal is 18. It knows that this is QNT, otherwise known as Quant. So all I have to do is add custom token. It's going to pop up right here, and then I'm going to import it, and it's going to pop right on in here, and you're going to have everything that you need. Now going back to the heart of MetaMask, we can see that now that QNT is added as a listed token, I'm able to see if I have any, and I'm now able to deposit it as well. You can also go into your account details and some more of your private settings in here. Be careful again about showing this to people, as some of your more private information can lay inside of here. But this is going to be the access for anyone that wants to deposit crypto into your account. And if you want to send it to anywhere else, this is going to be how you do it as well. So you just put the address that you're going to be sending it to. Maybe that's an exchange, or maybe that's a wallet or something else, but this is where you're going to be able to do that from. But other than that, that's really all there is to MetaMask. You can send crypto to here, you can take it out of here, and you can also go through and add the wallets as we just showed as well. So hopefully this helped. Again, Metamask is a very popular wallet platform for ERC20 tokens or Ethereum-based tokens, and you can do a lot with it and help keep your crypto hopefully more safe than it would be in another person's hands.